Hey everyone! We're working on this Shanghai Mitsubishi LEHY elevator. This elevator don't work. Let's see what the P1 board says. First, set Mon 1 to 1 and Mon 0 to 0 to check the fault codes. Man, the sun's super bright today. Codes are hard to read. Okay. Seeing 852, 847, and A3E, pretty sure that A3E code is the culprit. A quick power cycle will clear this fault. But it'll likely come back after the elevator runs for a while. Rewrite the magnetic pole data and make sure the encoder is nice and tight. Do that, and this problem usually stays gone. Let's test it in inspection mode. Runs fine. Switch everything back to normal operation. Gotta say, Mitsubishi elevators are usually solid runners. And check it. P1 board now shows 0. That's our all clear signal. If I missed a step or got something wrong, point it out in the